Good morning, my viewers. Today's topic is online certification courses available. My name is Ashok Sengupta. MOOCs are massive open online courses. It's a platform through which we can get various online courses available through internet, and these courses are developed by various famous and renowned universities all over the world, like Oxford, Harvard. In India, UGC has recommended, and under the guidelines of the UGC, AICTE, various institutions and universities developed these courses for the people, and it can be accessible by anyone. Today, we have discussed on various sources from which we can get and learn the online certification according to our requirement. But before we find these courses, I will give you the examples of some courses which I highlighted that. We also understand the following points. First, thing we should know before enrollment. First is previous knowledge about the subject which we want to enroll. Here, if you join some course which is totally new for you, then it is very difficult to understand by advanced level certification courses. So I recommended that if you want to enroll in such course which is totally new for you, then first you get some basic ideas about that course. If you get that basic idea, some basic certification course, basic idea of that course, it is very easy to get the certification courses of that particular. Like if someone from BA background, BA economics background, and she is interested to know about the robotics or mechanism. So in advanced level, it's very difficult to understand about the robotics or about the artificial intelligences. But if he gets some basic knowledge from any other resources, from books or any videos, and then get enrolled himself or herself in such course, then it will get very easier for them to understand that. Second important thing is budget. Courses are available is free in market. Most of the courses in by Government of India is free market, but some international platform offer the certificate with some charges. You enroll in free. Enrollment is free. Getting the lecture is free. But when you want to get the certificate, they are charging some amount. Then the amount is depend on the currencies. Like sometimes is that $300 or sometimes more than $300, $400. So it is difficult. So make your budget, how much you want to invest and what is your need. Third important is time duration. Choose the course according to your convenience. These courses are developed for the convenience of the people who can easily get the knowledge and certificate both. Anytime he can access that and give the particular time framework. Like any course, if having the 1 month period, and in each and every day there's a 1 or 2 lectures or 1 and 2 hours, then make some timetable to engage yourself in such 1 or 2 hours. If some courses is developed for only 4 hours, then you make your arrangement according to that one. I means that you should understand the value of time. These courses are additional certification with your jobs or with your basic education or what are the regular academic you are doing. So you need a proper time division for that. Now I'm giving you some highlights or sub name of some courses which are here. First is SWAYAM. SWAYAM is a MHRD initiative, Government of India, through which we can get the different courses offered by different universities. This is a link. and I just go to the link here. This is SWAYAM website, and here there are lots of options there, and I just read all these things. That Arpit is a courses means a refresher course for the faculty members. It's a various courses. SWAYAM course in regional languages, ICT initiative HRD. This is something new. During the lockdown period, Government of India have initiated. Let's click on that. Look, SWAYAM online courses, engineering, non-engineering, senior secondaries, NCERT books, NCERTs for 12th ebooks, various courses of IGNOU, learning platforms, e-read books. So it's a kind of library, e-library. E-books also having the friction, non-friction matters. Books and non-friction books are available there. Those who want to learn something, having habit of learning and reading, they get different kind of books. There are some books learning things on robotics, open learning source softwares also available. We can download the softwares for open learning sources. So this is a platform. It is a platform, good platform, initiative of Government of India for enhancing the MOOCs through various institutions, universities all over the country, and give the platform to the any student, any student. Though if someone is one in a remote area, someone in not able to join the classes, or someone working somewhere having some certificate courses, want to do something, she can get these courses from the SWAYAM platform. Like click on this one, non-engineering. Look, this is some courses, and this is not courses actually. This is some study material related to the PG courses and UG courses. If you want to go the courses, you click on that one. Here, the courses are available, and these courses are belongs to IIM Bombay, NIUS, ICTE, UGEC, all. So click on this one. List of NPTEL IIT courses are downloaded here. Look. It's taking some time. The huge file of NPTEL. NPTEL is also a platform, national portal for transforming education and learning. Okay, I'm just stopping this slide and go to the main slide, so we can just understand what are the various courses, because we want our importance is to know the various courses. Okay, here learning robotics, some softwares also available. So this is kind of big e-library from where we can get easily all the courses, all the subject, and it is not necessary to enroll the course. If you want to get only the theoretical idea, only to get the knowledge, or want to store some important papers regarding your future research, then you also go through this website and get the courses. Next is IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay also offering some courses which are very useful for everyone. Third is EDX. It is an international platform, and courses from Harvard, Oxford, and various good universities are enrolled here. Coursera, it's also a good initiative. It is an international platform where you get the international certification of various courses. Elson, Oxford Home Study, Philanthropy University. It is a specific university, and this university gives the courses, free courses, which are totally related to the social causes, social development. So I just recommended that before you going for the any course, just go through the website of this and understand that which kind of course you required, what is the time duration you want to pay for that, and then go through a course. All courses are available and free for search. You can just Google it and then go through the website and find the courses. Hope you like this video, and my next video will come soon. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you so much.